It is nearly impossible for you to not know the students in your class or see them in other places around campus. And when you think about the fact that we're in such a big city, the fact that we can have such a close, tight-knit community within our campus, I think is really a special thing about Queens that certainly keeps me coming back every year to be a part of that. We've got wonderful student engagement in terms of community service, getting out into the community for various events, and we participate in parades, and you know, I just think it's really a really supportive and gracious community in terms of how we uplift and help each other. Students have a lot of opportunity to get work experience. First, they're required to do that. They'll have an internship requirement and a prep class to prepare them for those interviews and building a resume. But we're in a bustling city, so we're a small school in this bustling city. There is lots of opportunity to network in your industry of interest or hold several jobs or internships throughout the city to really make sure that you know what it is you want to do after college and have those connections to make that a reality.